Let's head on into the kitchen, shall we? Start by gathering the ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 stalks of lemongrass finely minced, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 minced shallots, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, honey or brown sugar, vegetable oil, sesame oil, and lime juice. You'll also need a teaspoon of chili flakes or paste, freshly ground black pepper to taste, and some chopped green onions and cilantro for garnish. And don't forget the cooked rice for serving. First off, combine the minced lemongrass, garlic, shallots, fish sauce, soy sauce, honey or brown sugar, vegetable oil, sesame oil, lime juice, chili flakes or paste, and black pepper in a bowl. Mix well to ensure all the flavors meld together. This aromatic blend is the soul of your Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. Next, add the chicken pieces to the marinade. Toss until they're evenly coated, then cover and refrigerate. You'll need to wait at least half an hour, but for the best results, let it sit overnight. This gives the chicken ample time to soak up all those delicious flavors. Once marinated, it's time to cook the chicken. Heat a skillet or grill pan over medium-high heat. Add the chicken pieces in a single layer, taking care not to overcrowd the pan. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until the chicken is cooked through and nicely browned. After the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan and let it rest for a few minutes. This will allow the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Finally, serve the lemongrass chicken over cooked rice, garnished with chopped green onions and cilantro. If you like, add some lime wedges on the side for an extra burst of flavor. And there you have it, the perfect Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. It's a dish that's sure to impress whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just treating yourself. So why not give it a try? You might just find it's your new favorite dish. And remember, for more delicious recipes like this, make sure to subscribe to Magnolia Moon.